Peterson Machining is always looking ahead to new technology. Staying on the cutting edge means this spring, they are buying big, making space for their newest 46,000-pound multi-axis machine. 600 amps of power were brought into this new space to house the machine coming in May of 2019. Known for naming their family of machines, this machine's name is still a mystery. Whatever the name, the latest addition to this AS9100D certified shop will increase Peterson's ability to make custom parts for a wider range of applications and industries.
Which means we have the capacity and the capability of making parts that sometimes would take a 5-axis mill and a lathe in addition. We'll be able to perform those kinds of operations in one machine.